If you're looking for the latest and working Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro ISP Pinout, you have found the right place. Whether you're doing UFS Chip programming, FRP Bypass, remove MDM Lock, user lock remove, data recovery, or dead boot repair, having a good ISP Pinout is an important part of your work. As mobile technicians or micro-soldering specialists, we come across devices that are bricked, locked, or not being detected on PC. In this situation comes the ISP connection, which is connected directly to the UFS chip. In this post, we will present tested and verified Poco X6 Pro ISP Pinout, what it is, to connect and easily do your repair and recovery tasks with it. What is ISP? In-system programming. In simple terms, ISP allows you to access the eMMC chip without having to remove it. You simply have to identify the appropriate pinout of the board, and you have to utilize a supported UFS eMMC tool such as UFI, EasyJTag, or Medusa Pro to attach it directly. ISP Pinout is useful when phone is dead, black screen, no boot, no charging. FRP is locked, and you can't use ADB, fast boot, or OTG bypass. You need to dump firmware from a working unit to repair a dead one. You're working on a boot repair or partition restore. Phone is detected as unknown in PC, EDL not working. Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro UFS ISP Pinout image. Here's where things get technical. The Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro shares a hardware layout with several models, but the actual pin locations can vary slightly. You'll find the ISP points near the UFS chip under the metal shield. UFS ISP pin labels you need: CLK, SOP, SON, RXOP, ROXON, G&D ground. Tip: use a microscope or a 10x magnifier to identify the points correctly. Don't rely on diagrams alone. Confirm the layout visually. When repairing dead boot problems, especially for devices like the Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro, the EasyJTag Plus and UFI box dongles are great for mobile repair. They are important for scenarios where the phone has been incorrectly flashed and does not display the startup logo and is no longer responding to power. Required tools for ISP Pinout. Make sure your bench is set up with the right tools before jumping in. UFI box, EasyJTag, or Medusa Pro. 0.1 mm, 0.3 mm jumper wire. Fine tip soldering iron. Isopropyl cleaner, IPA 99%. Soldering flux. Multimeter for checking continuity. How to connect ISP to the eMMC box. Remove the battery from the phone. Extremely important to prevent voltage conflicts. Clean the PC board area using isopropyl alcohol. Connect jumper wires to CLK, TXON, TXOP, G&D, and RXON, RXOP with care using solder. Connect the wires to your UFS eMMC tool, following the tool's pinout. Double-check each wire using a multimeter to ensure there are no shorts. Connect to UFI or EasyJTag. In the UFI or EasyJTag software, select Identify UFS eMMC. Now use the operation you want. User partition, special task, reset FRP.